Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. When I use this Cascade Complete Dishwasher Detergent, I never wonder if my dishes are gonna come out clean or if I'm gonna have to redo the load because this stuff is awesome. So this is a 78 pack and it is a lemon scent. What you get are these little action packs that are super easy to use. They are mess free. You simply pop them into your dishwasher's detergent compartment and you're good to go. These work so good and they have all kinds of ingredients that not only clean and they are degreasing, they boost shine, and it helps you to have spot-free dishes and glasses, which is so nice. So you don't have to worry that there's gonna be all kinds of spots or leftover food or any type of residue from the cleaners itself. It just gets your dishes squeaky clean and shining. So I really love it. I love that it has the Dawn in there because it really does a great job at removing grease. So even if your dishes are a bit dirty or greasy when you put them in, there is no worry that they're not going to come out clean. So I absolutely love this product and would definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.